Yeah, this is called chicken. I want to say chicken Cordon Bleu Crescent roll-ups. It does sound kind of elegant, but it's very simple.
It really is. You're not taking the chicken breast and splitting it open and shoving everything in it. This is something that you could throw together after school. You can send it to the field for the guys that are planting. You could do just anything with this. It takes minutes and you're done, and it's really pretty good.
I wish I would have known about this when I was a kid, because my mom always made just sandwiches, which were good for the guys in the field.
Sure.
But this would be something different.
This would be. Crescent rolls. Can you think of anything more versatile?
We use them all the time, don't we?
We do. And what we're doing with these crescent rolls is we're taking some ham. I'm going to take 2 pieces, and you can do this here too.
Okay.
If I can get 2 there. Oh, about got it. You're going to lay out some ham on these crescent rolls.
So 2 pieces, layer them up. Okay.
Just lay them up on there, and then we can put a couple of pieces of chicken on.
Great.
And there is the essence of it.
I'm laying mine on top. Is that okay? Because I feel like I'm going to roll it.
Okay. And then we'll take a piece of, I'm just going to lay them out.
Okay.
And then we'll take a piece of Swiss cheese, lay that on top of your meat, and then roll it up.
And roll it up. Great. Look at that. Easy.
Isn't that simple?
Great. And then how long do you bake it for?
You bake these for about 15 to 18 minutes until they get nice and crusty and brown.
375-ish? 350? Something like that.
350, I think it was. Now I'd have to go back and look. And then you end up with these, and you can use a dipping sauce. There's some mustard here. I like honey mustard. But you can also use a hot spicy mustard if you want to.
Or mayo.
Or you could use mayo or whatever. That's part of the flexibility of it. Or if you're taking them to the field, just give them that. But it's just it's a nice snack for the kids after school. It's good for a quick supper if you've got ball games. It's so versatile, and so easy, and
great.
You can throw it together in no time.
I'm gonna take one. I know the guys in the back, the directors, are eyeing this right now. There's plenty here, you guys. And also, I have to mention, you guys brought happy birthday napkins for John.
We did, since it's his birthday, and we've got the little blue star over there for him. He can have that one.
Thank you.
So happy birthday, John, and I hope you enjoy this.
All right. All right, I'm gonna give it a try here. And is this plain mustard?
This is, it should be a honey mustard.
It is. Very good. And I like it with the Swiss cheese.
Oh, yes.
Very good. I'm going to continue eating. And this is already posted on our Facebook page, so you can check it out. Back to you, John.
Okay.